Cookbook for the Universe, the Harmonic Mean and the Golden Ratio. The harmonic mean and the golden ratio letter 3D5 serve as complementary principles that illuminate the intricate harmony of the universe. They conceptually align when considering the speed of light c in a theoretical framework. While the harmonic mean emphasizes balance and reciprocal relationships, the golden ratio reflects proportionality and self-similarity. Together, they provide a robust framework for understanding the structural and dynamic complexities of the cosmos, from the behavior of galaxies to the evolution of energy-time relationships. Please note that the spiral structures of galaxies are strikingly reminiscent of Fibonacci spirals, which are governed by the golden ratio phi. This connection hints at a profound underlying symmetry in the cosmos, one that resonates with patterns observed in natural growth, energy dynamics, and the self-organizing principles of the universe. Observed, Fibonacci spirals emerge naturally in systems striving for balance and efficiency, from the arrangement of sunflower seeds to the motion of hurricanes. In galaxies, these spirals may reflect the dynamic interplay of gravitational forces, density waves, and the propagation of energy over immense timescales. The golden ratio phi equals 1.618, a cornerstone of Fibonacci sequences, offers a unifying framework to understand these patterns, linking the microcosm of quantum phenomena to the macrocosm of galactic dynamics. Here explored is the potential alignment of Fibonacci patterns with energy time by Ryan Carl Daly 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe relationships within the framework of relative gravity. By examining how these principles govern the structure and evolution of spiral galaxies, we aim to uncover deeper connections between the fabric of spacetime and the forces shaping the universe. 11.1 The Harmonic Mean and the Golden Ratio. Cosmic Principles. The harmonic mean and the golden ratio are two mathematical principles that reveal profound connections in the natural and cosmic order. While the harmonic mean emphasizes balance and reciprocal relationships, the golden ratio highlights proportionality and growth, both offering insights into the self-organizing dynamics of the universe. Together, they serve as complementary frameworks, weaving patterns of symmetry, resonance, and evolution across scales, from subatomic particles to the vast structures of galaxies. Mathematical foundations. 1. The harmonic mean. A measure of balance suited for systems with rates, forces, or oscillations. Governs reciprocal relationships, such as energy flows or oscillations in dynamic systems. 2. The golden ratio. Represents aesthetic proportionality, observed in Fibonacci sequences, logarithmic spirals, and natural growth patterns. 11.2 Exploring Fibonacci patterns in galaxy spirals. The spiral structures of galaxies are strikingly reminiscent of Fibonacci spirals, which are governed by the golden ratio phi. This document explores the connection between Fibonacci patterns, energy-time relationships, and the framework of relative gravity, offering insights into their implications for a unified theory of cosmic phenomena. 11.2.1 Fibonacci Spirals in Nature and Galaxies. By Ryan Carl Daly 2. Cookbook for the Universe. Spiral galaxies resemble Fibonacci spirals governed by letter 3D5, reflecting the self-organizing properties of gravitational forces and density waves. Examples: spiral arms of galaxies align with logarithmic patterns akin to Fibonacci growth. Biological systems, for example nautilus shells, sunflower seed arrangements, demonstrate the same principles. 11.2.2 Energy-time relationships. In relative gravity, energy-time dynamics echo Fibonacci scaling and harmonic relationships, suggesting a unifying principle across scales. 11.3 Mathematical and theoretical frameworks. 11.3.1 Galactic dynamics and Fibonacci symmetry. Spiral arms are shaped by density waves, angular momentum, and gravitational interactions. These processes create structures that naturally align with Fibonacci-like progression. The propagation of energy through galactic systems could mirror Fibonacci growth, where each step along the spiral represents an iteration of energy transfer over time. The Fibonacci sequence in galaxy spirals reflects the profound intersection of mathematics, natural patterns, and cosmic phenomena. The spiral structures of galaxies, observed in their dynamic arms and rotational symmetry, resonate with principles found in the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio letter 3-5. These structures offer a unique lens to understand the energy, time, and spatial relationships that govern galactic systems. Below is a narrative exploring key aspects. 1. Energy-time relationships in galactic systems. Galactic dynamics are driven by the intricate interplay of energy and time, where these two fundamental dimensions influence the structure and behavior of galaxies. Fibonacci-driven energy flow. As energy propagates outward from the galactic core, its distribution can align with Fibonacci growth. Each step along the galactic spiral represents an iteration of energy transfer, where the relationship between energy and time reflects Fibonacci scaling. Steady-state ratios. The propagation of energy and the expansion of time in galactic systems may converge toward the golden ratio. For instance, by Orion Carl Daly 3. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe. This equation suggests a balance between energy and time, where their interaction creates the harmonious proportions observed in galactic structures. Temporal dynamics. Time in these systems acts not as a static dimension, but as a dynamic one, influenced by the flow of energy and the evolving gravitational and electromagnetic fields. This interplay ensures that galaxies remain stable while adapting to external and internal forces. Logarithmic spirals in the golden ratio. The arms of spiral galaxies often align with logarithmic spirals, mathematical curves where the angle of growth remains constant as the distance from the origin increases. This growth pattern is closely associated with the golden ratio letter 3d5, approximately 1.618, a mathematical constant that appears across nature, art, and architecture. 11.3.1.1 Logarithmic spiral geometry. Logarithmic spiral geometry describes a curve that maintains a constant angle between its radius vector and the tangent at any point, resulting in a self-similar spiral that expands proportionally. Found extensively in nature and cosmic structures, such as seashells, hurricanes, and spiral galaxies, this geometry embodies efficiency and harmony. Its mathematical form, r equals a b theta, where r is the radial distance, theta 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 the angular position, and a ba b are constants, captures the balance of growth and rotation, reflecting fundamental principles of natural and cosmic evolution. 11.3.1.2 Fibonacci spacing of galactic arms. Fibonacci spacing of galactic arms refers to the alignment of spiral arm structures in galaxies with the Fibonacci sequence, a series where each number is the sum of the by Orion Carl Daly 4. Cookbook for the universe 2 preceding ones. This spacing suggests a logarithmic growth pattern influenced by the golden ratio letter 3d 5 equals 1.618 inherent in Fibonacci sequences. The angular spacing of arms, represented above, reflects energy distribution and density waves in galactic dynamics. This phenomenon demonstrates the self-organizing principles of the universe, linking cosmic structures to the same mathematical patterns observed in nature, such as in sunflowers and nautilus shells. 11.3.1.3 Harmonic mean in energy distribution. Harmonic mean in energy distribution explores how reciprocal relationships balance energy across cosmic systems. The harmonic mean, mathematically defined as h equals 2ab plus b, is particularly suited for systems where dynamic rates, forces, or oscillations interact. In the context of energy distribution, it represents the equilibrium between successive energy states, ensuring smooth and stable transitions. For example, in the distribution of energy along the spiral arms of galaxies, the harmonic mean helps describe how energy is shared between neighboring segments. When applied to Fibonacci-based energy scaling, the harmonic mean aligns these energy states with cosmic constants, such as the speed of light c, to maintain systemic harmony. This ensures that forces and energies resonate across scales, from subatomic particles to galactic formations, contributing to the universe's self-regulating balance. 11.3.1.4 Friction and currents in galactic dynamics. 1. Rotational friction hypothesis. By Orion Carl Daly 5. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe. Galactic rotation induces friction, generating currents that transfer energy along spiral arms. Relative mass forms as ET, analogous to the Carnot cycle. 2. Carnot cycle analogy. Hot core and cold outer arms regions mimic thermodynamic efficiency. See section 9.14.11 on friction in the delta phenomenon. 11.3.1.5 Integrating Fibonacci harmonic mean in galactic dynamics. 11.3.1.5.1 Observational hypotheses. Golden ratio in galactic spirals. Test if the spacing between spiral arms aligns with Fibonacci progression. Energy-time ratios. Validate if energy-time relationships converge to letter 3e 5c. Rotational currents. Measure magnetic fields and energy flows for evidence of friction-induced currents. 11.4 Philosophical and cosmological implications. Cosmic symmetry. In galaxies, the golden ratio governs the spacing and proportions of spiral arms, reflecting a natural tendency toward balance and efficiency. This alignment hints at an underlying self-organizing principle that shapes cosmic evolution. Universal resonance. The golden ratio not only defines the geometry of galaxy spirals but also serves as a metaphor for universal harmony. It bridges the microcosmic, for example atomic structures, with the macrocosmic, for example galactic formations, revealing a shared blueprint for creation and evolution. Synchronicity across scales. The harmonic mean and golden ratio bridge microcosmic and macrocosmic phenomena, reflecting synchronicity across time and space. Interconnectedness of forces. These principles unify energy dynamics, gravitational interactions, and evolutionary. By Orion Carl Daly 6. Cookbook for the Universe. Processes, offering a coherent view of the cosmos. The universe as a symphony. Together, the harmonic mean and golden ratio describe a universe that is not static but alive with resonance, balance, and growth. The harmonic mean and golden ratio offer profound insights into the natural order and dynamic evolution of the universe. By integrating these principles into the framework of relative gravity, uncovered can be a unified perspective on cosmic harmony, energy flow, and structural coherence. By integrating Fibonacci sequences, harmonic means, and energy-time relationships into galactic models, we gain a unified framework for understanding spiral galaxy dynamics. The rotational friction hypothesis introduces a novel perspective, linking galactic rotation to relative mass formation. Whether through galactic spirals, energy-time relationships, or the interplay of forces, these principles highlight the beauty and interconnectedness of all existence. Future simulations and observations could validate these ideas, further advancing the field of relative gravity.